What is RAG? Meet Grok, smart caveman. But Grok know everything. Tribe ask Grok hard questions like where find berries in winter or how fix broken clock. Grok just guess. Sometimes right, sometimes make tribe eat poisonous berries. Oops. Before RAG, Grok use only tiny brain, like dinosaur. No check rock carvings. No ask shaman. Just make up answer. Dangerous. Like say, tiger friendly, pet it, bad idea. But now, Grok use RAG, it like cave library. Try write all knowledge here. Berry maps, club fixes, tiger warnings. When Grok get question, RAG do two things. Retrieve, Grok dig through tablets. Find exact carvings about berries. Augment, Grok combine tablet knowledge with own brain. Give smart answer. Look, two cavemen take big tribe exam. One of the questions is, how make fire in rain? One of the cavemen only use what him remember from old shaman lessons. The other caveman, which uses RAG, bring entire cave course. For every question, him search tablets, find exact chapter, then combine with brain. RAG caveman always check notes, no guess. Pre-trained caveman, him doomed. Without RAG, big dumb AI just yell random things like bears in volcano, drink lava. But RAG, check facts first, like shaman, but faster. Okay, real talk. RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generation means AI searches your data, PDFs, databases, etc. before answering. No more guessing. It is now used in customer support bots, medical advice, and legal documents. RAG not perfect. If cave library wrong, Grok still wrong. Garbage in, garbage out. So carve good tablets. Tribe. Now, go use RAG. Stop poisoning friends.